Jonathan Orbanzuelo, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, magna cum laude, 2023 Asia Pacific International Jiu-Jitsu Featherweight Division bronze medalist, 2024 Southeast Asian Jiu-Jitsu Friendship Games Featherweight Division gold medalist, 2025 Contact Jiu-Jitsu Philippine National Selection Trials Light Featherweight Division bronze medalist, qualified for Philippine National Team Batch 2025. Maya Daniela L. Bernardo, Bachelor of Arts in Communication, magna cum laude, Best Intern, Program Research Colloquium 2025, Best Research Paper, and Best Research Presentation.